Yo, what's up? How's it going? Let's just get some people in. We've pretty much got a 30-minute Q&A from 8:30 to 9:30. What's up, Elliot? How's it going? All right, so normally I just like ignore you guys in episodes. So this time I'm gonna actually listen and answer questions that you've got and all that kind of stuff. So because I mean, generally, whenever I have like a decent day, I'll try and do that. I just took a little trade on MARA. I'm a bit scared because it's lunchtime, but today was a good day. 858 on SPPI, 42 on Kodak, 40 on Fran, 112 on GNCA. Then I just took 50 on Mara, so pretty solid day. Yeah, thank you, Bram. I mean, that puts us on 7 something for the month. So like in the back of my head, I'm like 3 more days, 3,000, get 10,000. I'd have to make a grand today, and I'd have to make 2 grand today to get an 8.2, and then maybe in the last 3 days I could hit the 5-figure month. But I'm not in a rush. So guys, the floor is yours. I'm not going to go through my trades today, honestly. I'm tired. I'm just going to answer any questions that you've got, bring up the chart, and listen to you guys. I mean, if there's not too many questions, maybe I'll go through some trades. But it's a tradition. First beer in a few days. It's tradition that every time I have a 1K day, I'll have a beer. It used to be every 500, and then I started hitting 500 regularly, so now it's 1K, and soon it'll maybe be 1.52. But let's just get through. I've got stocks to trade up and running. For any stock related ticker questions, just hit me with any. But otherwise, let's just talk to you guys. You are the GOAT. Indeed I am, brother. Getting there. Nikhil, what's up? What's up, GQ? I think that's like Gentleman's Quarterly, right? Thanks, Bram. I hope you're doing well. KODK. Okay, let's talk about KODK very quickly. You guys think it was a great short? I think it was a terrible short. So KODK, what I see when I look at KODK is 52-week highs, massive volume, legitimate company, no real history of volume this high before, no dilution, and an insane pre-market run. Now KODK is not, I mean, it's not a short, and honestly, we can play KODK back. Do I have KODK? Yeah, so KODK is on the top right of the screen. This is at 8 a.m. Just watch the top right hand of the screen. I'll take this off so you can see it. Luckily, I had KODK recorded. Check the top right of the screen. KODK, 8 o'clock. This is just ramping, new highs, new highs. I'm going a bit fast at 8:30. And again, like the float is only like 500, 600,000. So you cannot be taking KODK at this time. This is almost a short trap. You see when it's kind of lowering a little bit? That's just a short trap. It's a 2 million float. It's trading like 90, it's trading 20 million volume pre-market, 10 million volume, 2 million float, legitimate company. Main runner of the day. You can't really be taking that short and then look, it's just highs, highs, highs. I know F1 team boss blew up his account 3,500 a day on this stock. I mean, so basically pre-market, you can't take this. I mean, it's highs, 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 highs. Higher day, higher day, higher day. And if we just watch the open, I mean, where are you possibly going to take this? So, I mean, maybe if the volume's less than 1 million in the open minute, this is the higher day from today. As you can see, SPPI is shortening pre-market and adding in, and GNC is also short. SNGX, Alex was short, I wasn't. But watch KODK, I just kept this on the screen because I was curious. Watch the market. This is the first market open. Look, we've got 260,000 at the open first minute. You see the, oh, look, 1.7 million immediately as the market opens, 1.8 million, 1.92. Doesn't really know what it's doing. We've got it wash at the open, 2.2, 2.3. I am not showing anything at 52-week highs. That trades 2.4 million in the open minute of the chart. 2.6 million, and it's a fucking 2 million, 1.8 million float. Top percent gainer, legitimate company, no dilution. 2.8 million in the open. I am not shorting that. And if you just look what happens, I wish I could show you guys a bit closer, but we're on live stream. In fact, I mean, I'll take me off so you can see a bit closer. 3 million in the open minute. What do you think is going to happen now? We're going to get new highs. There you go. As soon as it doesn't wash out, and it won't wash out because too many shorts are underwater, the second it doesn't wash, all the shorts cover the higher day break, longs buy the higher the day break, and we're hitting the 10s. And then if you just keep on watching, yes, it does come down to your entry. Yes, we've got it looks like it's done here. Like we broke the low of the day, but still, I mean, this thing was in the 1050s. It's now in the 9s. It's not an easy short either here. You've got this high of day level pre-market. It conveniently bounces and makes a higher low off. And then you've got this perfect breakout, and then it's away. It did get to the 11s, and then I took the short on this trend break more or less near it, and that's why I took the 40 bucks. And since it's kind of fell apart. So KODK is absolutely not a short whatsoever. It's fucking, that is not a short, and I hope that redemonstration in that replay shows you why the fuck KODK is a terrible short at the open or pre-market. Ultimately, it was a good short, fucking 10, 10.30, but don't confuse that with a good open short, because most traders trade at the open, but we must remember, I mean, I do trade pre-market and at the open, but professionals close the market and amateurs open the market. Don't fully agree with it, but it's some of Tim Bones, isn't it? Stuff. Deep trades, beautiful. I am beautiful if I lose a little bit of weight. Fuck yes, that tastes good. Elliot Carpenter, SPPI. Me too, brother. 1 sec. We're gonna run through that. So SPPI is in the bottom left. I'll just quickly explain to you for SPPI on stocks to trade. The float you can see in the bottom left is, and then after this, guys, ask questions on tickers. Ask questions and I'll answer them because I'm only going to run for like 25, 30 minutes. But SPPI, terrible long-term chart. It's traded some volume before, so it's not like it's a new, fresh chart with new, fresh volume. Float's big. It's like 80 mil, 70 mil, whatever it is. And it's like got a terrible history, and the company loses money financially, and all biotechs never do that well anyway. So like I was getting short around this area, and I know some people will be like, oh, you're chasing weakness, but when every indicator is bearish, like I will chase weakness. And I mean, look, if I'm shorting the 5s, breaks VWAP, I'm just out, you know what I mean? So with SPPI, I've actually got that recorded on the left-hand side of the screen, and I played SPPI really quite well. So you can see the 5 shorts. It's breaking down. I've got it on a 5-minute chart for whatever reason. You can see this breaking down. So I've got me short here at 5, risking off like VWAP. These are just some dodgy prints. I'm expecting this on a 5-minute chart. It's got this like descending triangle here. You can't quite see it. But we'll get to the open because I play it really quite well. So I'm just adding because I don't think it's going to go anywhere. If it pops past the 520s, I'll be out. I think it's going to break down. So I add a little bit into support, then it pops back up. And I think at some point, do I cover around here? Now I'm basically shorting anything under VWAP, risking off VWAP. And then the open is beautiful. Normally the way I trade is I'll like try and hold my position, but this time I was like short at the open, cover everything, short the pop, cover everything. And you just check the top left-hand side of the screen. Again, here's the open. Here's the volume coming in. Any second we'll see the open. And you guys, nah, I better take it off. So I get a little ad here. I'll speed it up a little bit because it's a bit too slow. 500,000 volumes, weak opening candle. So I short a little bit at the open, cover the full position. You see the little blue candle in the top left, cover it all at 459. Yeah, and then we're zooming in. This is perfect. So hang on, let's actually see if we can watch this. So I'll just pause this here. So I've shorted at the open, covered the dip on the first opening candle, shorted and shorted the next pop, and we're going to watch it from here. And then I'm just waiting for the next dip because that's not much of a bounce. Next red candle straight down. And then this red candle should try and hold and build up if it's got any strength, but it just doesn't. It's very weak, typical of a high float, low volume. So I'm just looking to cover the next drop, trying to catch the bottom. How big's the red candle going to be? It's looking like it's holding relatively well. It's down from the 480s to the 440s. I'm up from 480 to 440. I'm up 10% in that alone, 8% of ish. So I'm looking to cover around this area, catch the bottom. Should see a green tick any second. Speed it up a little bit. Oh, well, I have to show you guys that because I think I literally caught the bottom there. So 543. We're getting a little bit lower of a drop, 543. Look at that, 439. I'm reading level 2, and with enough experience reading level 2, you can catch the dead bottom. So you see I caught near the tops, covered the dead bottoms. Pops, but that's just level 2 tape reading. And then look, perfect short on the top. Again, I'll just rewind that. Again, this is kind of level 2 reading. Pops covered only position in the 440s. And then look, I'm looking for it to top out this green candle. And a lot of it's level 2, but it's struggling. It's not getting past 450, 451, 450. 450 is like a whole number. So look, 459, 458. As soon as the ask comes in, hit it back again. 451, 452. I get me shorts in. And then we're just looking for the next leg down now. Speed it up a little bit. And then boom, cover, cover. Breaks down more. And then I'm all out for 430 and actually leave some on the table. So they're the kind of the live trades from today. But let's so that's how I played PPI. SPPI was a really good short. So very, very well done for the dude that took it. Where are you? Yeah, Elliot, very well done on SPPI. SPPI was the best short out there today. It was nearly $1,000 trade for me today. Absolute beauty of a short. Wouldn't have minded it at 7 a.m., but it's just too early. So we've traded it perfect. Yeah, KODK was very, very dangerous deep, but you shorted it at 11.03. Hang on, let's see where you shorted this. $11.03 and holding. Yeah. I mean, pretty. If you caught the backside in the trend break, it's a perfect trade, brother. And an excellent hold. Very, very, very well done. Cheers, bro. Cheers, fella. Oh shit! Didn't realize we'd do that. What else we got? Yeah, exactly. Again, it's a brilliant short from 10:30. Otherwise, it's not my favorite short. How would you get around not finding shares to short? I'd find a broker with shares to short. There's many. Trade Zero, Speed Trader, to the name. Don't like crowded trades last month. I better wait for, yep, fair play, brother. I don't think you can call it a legit company when it's a failed camera company that went into blockchain and now into pharma. I agree with that statement, but I mean, Howie, like compared to like AIHS, the Chinese companies, the biotechs, like at least this company's got some sort of fucking heritage and legacy. That's what I'd say to that. Will you quit your job soon, mate, and do training full time? We'll be quitting mine soon and can't wait. Yeah, I mean, I'm actually part time from next month, so probably like I have savings and I have cash, so I'm all right. We'll see. Took Kodak along at 7:41 in the morning because of your lesson yesterday. Thanks for the lessons. Can't remember what I said, but it's an excellent long pre-market. Me mate actually took it long pre-market as well. So if that's it, we'll wrap it. That's cool. Happy to hang out with you guys. Happy to catch up. Happy to go through some trades. I think we've covered everything. So peace and thanks.